Hey there, and welcome back to the Meridian expedition in Senegal. Last time we talked about boats, and now it's time to take one to the numerous islands. And we started our exploration with the Island of Ngor, a quiet, cozy paradise with the population of 100 people and numerous geckos. There are two ways of getting to the shore of this beautiful, elegant island. The first one is taking a boat, and the second one is swimming. Of course, we preferred the boat. Senegal is rich with talented artists, and we were happy to meet one of them on this island. Abdoulaye Diallo turned his house into a breathtaking studio, where people from all over the world could come and check out the contemporary art of modern Senegal. His house is right on the coast, and it's difficult to not notice it when you arrive from Dakar. Hey, can you walk a little faster? Oh, sorry, that's me. You can immediately see that this is a house of a real artist. Can you imagine how much inspiration you can get if you work and live in this place? Oh my god, you see that thing on the other side of the coast? That's Dakar, and everything across it is this Island of Ngor. It's Senegalese art on an island. Abdoulaye Diallo is always glad to receive some visitors in his workshop and tell more about his works of art.
Je suis parti en fait du complexe d'Édipe de Freud qui proposait une clé après son étude. Alors,
So don't hesitate to visit the Island of Ngor and go right to the pink house on the coast to find Mr. Diallo and send our regards to him. Get inspired, learn more about Senegal from the locals. Because who knows, maybe you will also get inspired by these magnificent views, and you will also create an outstanding work of art. Just don't forget to take the boat in time to get back to the shore, and subscribe to the Meridian expedition to learn more about distant countries, their development, and much, much more.